How to send live snap without media upload. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Snapchat on your device. Then simply take a snap as you take usually. Then, on the bottom left side, you will find plus button. Click on the plus button. After that, you'll find this kind of screen. Click on import media on the right side. After that, you can simply upload what you want to send. Now click on the first clip and press on delete at the top and click on delete again. Then click on preview. Then click on send to and send it to people and it will be sent as live snap. This is how to send live snap without media upload. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.